Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best legacy box is probably one of the most convenient ways to preserve your precious memories. Converting old photos, videos, and film reels into digital formats is a great way to prevent them from degrading over time. With Legacy Box, you can easily send in your old media and have it professionally converted to a digital format, ready to be enjoyed for years to come. This is a great way to share those memories with family and friends. Number 5. Kodak SCANZA Film and Slide Scanner. Do you have old film negatives or slides? This scanner can convert them into digital JPEG files quickly. It supports 35mm, 126, 110, Super 8, and 8mm film. It features a large, bright 3.5-inch color display. You can easily view and adjust the images with its adjustable brightness and convenient tilt feature. The scanner comes with multiple film inserts and adapters. This allows for fast and flexible operation. Big one-touch buttons make scanning and saving simple. The user interface is very intuitive. It includes a helpful tray and insert directory. You can easily edit image RGB and resolution, and browse the gallery. The scanner is compatible with both Mac and PC. It comes with a USB power cable, HDMI cable, AC adapter, video cable, and a free film cleaning brush. Use it to clean the light box. What we like? This scanner quickly converts your old films into digital files. It features a large, bright LCD screen for easy viewing and operation. If you have a lot of old photos and slides, this is a great choice. It's fast, easy to use, and gets the job done. What people say? The Legacy Box Kit is a great way to digitize old photos, videos, and film. The process is simple and straightforward. The Legacy Box team does a great job of handling the items with care. Number 4. ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2.0. Do you have old VHS tapes or camcorder tapes? This device helps you convert them to digital format. It's a simple way to save your memories. With the touch of a button, you can start recording. It records directly onto a USB flash drive or SD card. No computer or software is needed. It works with VCRs, DVD players, camcorders, and retro gaming systems. Remember, you'll need a working VCR or camcorder and tapes to use it. The new version has an extra-large preview screen and improved recording quality. It also includes an auto-stop feature and records in a mobile-friendly format. You'll need a USB flash drive or SD card, which is not included. The device records at SD resolution. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and tech support. What we like? This converter makes it easy to digitize your old VHS tapes. It doesn't require a computer, just plug it in and press record. If you are looking for a simple way to preserve your memories without any technical hassle, this is the one for you. What people say? The user-friendly interface allowed me to convert my old VHS tapes and camcorder recordings with absolute ease. The compatibility with VCRs, VHS tapes, AV, RCA, Hi8, and more made it the only tool I needed for all my digital conversion tasks. The quality of the digital files is astounding. Number 3. ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2.0 Bundle. Do you have old VHS tapes or camcorder tapes? This device helps you convert them to digital format. It's a simple way to save your memories. With the touch of a button, you can start recording. It records directly onto a USB flash drive or SD card. No computer or software is needed. It works with VHS, VCRs, DVD players, camcorders, and retro gaming systems. Remember, you'll need a working VCR or camcorder and tapes for it to work. The new version has a larger preview screen and better recording quality. It also includes features like auto-stop and a mobile-friendly MP4 format. This bundle comes with a 32GB USB flash drive and video editing software. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and tech support from ClearClick. What we like? This converter is the same as the previous one, but it comes with a USB drive. It's perfect for those who want a complete solution right out of the box. If you like the convenience of having everything you need to get started, then this bundle is a great option. What people say? It is saving me a lot of time because all I do is put the USB in, press play on the camcorder, and then after a second press record on the ClearClick, and it captures perfectly in ready-to-go MP4 format. It is extremely easy to use and does everything I need it to do. The transfer from VHS tapes and camcorder tapes to digital has been a very easy process. The quality is very clear. Number 2. DIGITNOW 35mm Slide Viewer. This slide viewer helps you relive the past. It enlarges and illuminates your old 35mm slides and negatives, bringing those memories back to life. The desktop design makes it simple to use at home or in the studio. Just insert your slides or negatives, and this device does the rest. Featuring an ultra-bright LED light box, it presents images in vivid detail. You'll be amazed at how clear the pictures look. The built-in magnifier enlarges images 3 times without distortion. It ensures that every detail of your slides and films is visible. It's perfect for 2x2 mounted slides and 35mm film. You can use it anywhere with battery power, or plug it in with the included USB cable. What we like? This slide viewer allows you to easily view your old slides and negatives. It features a 3x magnification and is portable, so you can view them anywhere. If you like to quickly view and share your slides with family and friends, then this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to use, clear picture. Works as described. I used it to digitalize old slides from early 1960s and it was easy to use, quick, and did a great job. Excellent for viewing old family slides. They were so clear I could even take a photo with my phone and it came out excellent. Number 1. SafeShip Kit, digitally convert home movies. Worried about your precious memories getting damaged? This kit includes a crush-proof box, waterproof bags, and shock-resistant cushions. It ensures everything arrives safely for digitization. Experience your old footage like never before. The exclusive AI technology enhances the clarity, color, and detail. It provides a modern viewing experience. Watch your home movies on any device. A dedicated app allows you to stream and share them on your TV, phone, or tablet. It's just like your other streaming apps. Get your tapes, films, and photos digitized quickly. With 17 years of experience, the industry leader digitizes your memories in weeks, not months. The kit includes a prepaid FedEx return label and digitization credit. Start preserving your VHS, film, or photos with ease. No organization or labeling is necessary. What we like? This kit offers a safe and convenient way to convert your home movies and photos. It uses AI to enhance the quality of your old footage, and allows you to stream your memories on any device. If you are looking for a professional service that handles everything from start to finish, then this is the perfect solution. What people say. The box was very sturdy and served its purpose well. The items I shipped, which were 2 VHS and 19 smaller camcorder tapes, got to their destination safe and sound. Communication was excellent, costly but convenient, and definitely recommend for ease of watching old home movies on TV and shareable to friends and family on Android app too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.